Now, up until this lecture, I have done a lot of talking about Rover, making sure everything is set up and ready to go for you to become a new pet sitter on Rover and to set yourself up for success. But now let's take a look at how much I have earned this year from Rover. So I'm going to go to my dashboard, and right here we have Rover balance. I currently am not doing any bookings at this time. I've taken a little break, but we're going to view payments and promo codes. So as you can see, my last withdrawal was end of July right here for $28.90. And I could continue scrolling through this all the way up to January, since that is when I actually started getting clients. And from there, it just kind of took off. But let's look at my total by year. So for 2017, from January to July, I have made $2,340 total. Now, I was on Rover as a part-time sitter, but in 6 months, I would have to say that this is not a bad start on Rover. And as you can see, my first payout was beginning of February. So my first client was towards the end of January of 2017, and all the way up to end of July, I was getting clients nonstop. And then I took a little bit of a break from Rover to focus on a few other things. But if you treat Rover like a part-time business like I did, since I have a lot of different income sources that I am focusing on, you can see that you can still make some really good money. So if you were skeptical before, now that you've seen my payment history, what I have earned so far in 6 months, treating Rover as a part-time business, you can do this yourself as well. I have 100% faith that you can do exactly the same thing as I did. And depending on your availability and how many dogs you are willing to take in at once, work with at once, you can even double or triple or even quadruple what I have made in 6 months easily.